Hello, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to learn about completing the square. Is one of the methods in quadratic equation. Completing square is whereby quadratic equation is going to be expressed easily and simply in a perfect square. So the form of the question that will be given, it will be like this one. So let's see example number 1. I think this will be so good if I go with the examples. So let's see example number 1. It should be x squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so we need to see this. We go step by step so as you can understand how we do it. Step number 1 is the variables must be on the left side. So these variables should be on the left side. So the first thing, we should take this constant number, which is negative 12, to go to the other side. So we plus 12 on both sides, plus 12 on both sides. Our new expression will be, because this is like negative plus is 0, so this is equal to x squared plus 4x is equal to 0, is equal to 12, because we have taken on the other side. And the second step that we are going to do is the leading coefficient should be equal to, it should be 1 and positive. So now we can see our leading coefficient is positive and it is 1. So we can go ahead to the third step. On the third step, we see that what we need to do here is to add the number on both sides. So I can rewrite this expression, this equation for x. So we need to get something here to add here, and is equal to 12. And whatever you add on one side, you should add on the other side. Now is when we need to start applying the completing square concept. So the first thing, remember this, the coefficient of x is b. So now we are dealing with the coefficient of x. You can see this coefficient of x, this one, is what we do, we say b divided by 2, and then you square. Or you can say b times half, and then you square. Is the way you express it. I mostly prefer to use this on the fraction equations, and this is in a normal equation like this one. So now we divide this number, we are talking about coefficient of x, we divide this number by 2, and then we get 2, because it is positive, divided by 2 is 2, and then you square, get 4. So here it will be, we add by 4 here, and also here we add by 4. Why do we do that? So as we can get the perfect square here. And this perfect square is like to say what plus what here. What do we, either plus or minus. In order to know what to plus, is b, literally is b divided by 2, or b times a half. So b times a half here is 2, so it is positive 2, because it's 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then you say you square. If you use this, you say x plus 2 times x plus 2, obvious you're going to get this answer. And then this is where we say we get it perfect. So now we got perfect equation. So here it will be 16. So now we need to take rid of this square root. How do we do that? There are other teachers, they say you square root both sides, but I say you multiply by exponent half. So you say x plus 2 square brackets the brackets times a half is equal to 16 also times a half. If you do remember your algebra teacher says if you any number power half, it is equal to square root. So now we are going to apply that there, and here now what we do, you can see here we are there. So we say this cancel and this cancel, so we're remaining on this side 2 plus x plus 2 is equal to root 16. And then now we say, and this you don't forget plus or minus. And this will be, we minus 2 because now the last step is to get the value of x. And then here we minus 2. So here we cancel off and x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus 4 because the square root of 16 is 4. So the answer is 1. The first answer is negative 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2, or x is equal to negative 2 minus 4, which is equal to negative 6. This is the answer.